Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a custom AI assistant using Flowise and LangChain in 2025. So step 1, start by installing Flowise on your local machine. You can do this via npm with the command npx flowise start. And step 2, once installed, go to localhost 3000 and create a new flow. This is where your visual editor for building AI workflows. And step 3, drag in a chat prompt template and connect into a LangChain LLM node like OpenAI or Cohere. Step 4, customize your AI prompt. Add tools like memory or web search using other nodes and link them logically. Step 5, test your AI assistant right within Flowise. And once done, deploy via API or embed it into your website or app. So that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.